Is it a male or a... Oh, it's a girl.
He's waiting for Tom Key.
It's okay.
You can't see me.
Can't I'm recording. I'm recording. Where's Jalen?
Following. Phew. Right there. He did it. Get back up right here. Get right there.
Okay.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Where's my key?
Right there. So guys, I'm just kneeling down and recording. Oh my gosh, it's coming near me. It's coming near me, guys. Oh my gosh. Don't run, don't run.
I should go up to the lady. Y'all should.
Run, girl, run.
Somebody feeding them?
Bow down. Bow down. Oh my god, they do not listen.
Wow, this man.
No more deers.
Hit her, say you better, little bad. Say you better run.
Wait, did anybody just see it?
Let's get
Okay, stop.
I scared you. I'm about to go to our sand pit.
Okay, so there's deer just walking in people's backyard. We still in Virginia. That's why.
That is a YouTube video?
Yeah. It's a lot of deers around here. Got all kinds of animals: bears, snakes, deers. But snakes really don't be like in this kind of land. They like to be like where water and dirt is, like water snakes, if you know what I mean. If you know about kind of snakes and stuff like that. Yeah. So it is really cool out here. This is all our space that we can run. Find people play golf, but they're not playing golf right now. Just a sand pit right over there. It is so much fun. Do y'all want to roll down a hill?
Yes.
Oh, and guess what? The deer didn't leave. So, oh my gosh, it's 2 deers.
Trust me.
It's 2 deers.
They said if you keep piling up a deer, the family and stuff.
Yeah, they will attack you. I know.
Yo, y'all should go to that lady. She's so nice. So you want to go to her if you want to attract the deer?
I guess.
Huh? When you bored, just go to her house. Knock on the door. Say, "Can I have the doors, please?" She really nice. She gave me apples.
They're really beautiful, graceful creatures, but if you heard my brother, like what he said, they are very precious. They will attack you if you pile around their family, especially the males, because they got the horns, well, the antlers, you can call them. That's why my nephew over there, way over right here, think they're reindeers. Here's my nephew.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
You gotta look at the camera.
Hi.
Wave.